Good morning, boys and girls. Buenos días, niños. Let's get our day started with our calendar, our numbers, our words of the week. Also, we're going to go over the Spanish alphabet and counting by fives. So, hoy vamos a hacer nuestro calendario, los números, las palabras de la semana, el abecedario y contando por 5. So, let's get our day started. Good morning, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and get started for the day. So let's go over our calendar in Spanish. Vamos a repasar el calendario en español. Ok, estamos en el mes de abril, en la época de primavera. Muy bien. Ahora vamos a decir los días de la semana. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes y sábado. Muy bien. ¿Quién me puede decir qué día de la semana es hoy? Ayer fue miércoles y hoy es jueves. Muy bien. Ahora vamos a contar juntos cuántos días hay en el mes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 y 16. Muy bien. Hoy es jueves. Mañana es viernes. ¿Y qué día fue ayer? Miércoles. Muy bien. Ok. So, hoy es abril 16 de 2020. Muy bien. Ahora vamos a contar cuántos días faltan para el día de la Tierra o el día del mundo, que es la próxima semana. Let's count how many days we have left today to Earth Day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 y 6. Muy bien. 6 días faltan para el día de la Tierra. 6 days until the day of the Earth. So let's go ahead and count some numbers, and then we'll do the words of the week, and we'll get started with our day. Here I have my numbers from 1 to 30. Aquí tengo mis números del 1 al 30. Let's go over them in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 y 30. Muy bien. Ahora vamos a repasar las palabras de la semana. Now we're going to go over the words of the week. Okay, boys and girls, so we're going to go over our words of the week. Pollo, chicken, pollito, chick, gallo, rooster, gallina, hen. So how do you say chicken in Spanish? Pollo. How do you say baby chick in Spanish? Pollito. How do you say rooster in Spanish? Gallo. How do you say hen in Spanish? Gallina. Now all these chickens are all the same. A rooster and a hen is in the same family as a chicken. But rooster is for a male chicken or a boy chicken. And hen is for a girl chicken. So they're all the same. Even if you say hen, it's still a chicken. Even if you say rooster, it's still a chicken. They're all in the same family. Okay. Okay, so here we have our Spanish alphabet. So let's go over it real quick because we haven't done it this week. So we have A, B. I want you to say it with me. Yo quiero que repitan después de mí. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, E, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y y Z. Muy bien. Ya repasamos el abecedario en español. Muy bien. Okay, so now let's get started with our activity for today. We are going to be counting by fives. And in order to do that, let's get our pencils ready and our papers. Now in the very top of your paper, I want you to write your name. Don't forget to write your name so we could practice it. The more we practice, the better we get, right? So I put Maria, and you guys could put your names. So we're gonna get started. In this paper, in this worksheet, it says, let's count by fives. So they start you off with the number 5, and then they skip 3 in between, and then they give you the number 25. So we are going to be counting by fives today. So let's go ahead and start with that. They gave you 5. What do you think goes next? 10. You're right. So let's go ahead and write the number 10. 5, 10. What goes next? 15. You guys got it. 5, 10, 15. What goes next? 20. Good job. Let's go ahead and write 20. Okay, so now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What goes next? Remember, you're counting by 5, so first is 5 and then a 0. 5 and then a 0. 5 and then a 0. So what goes next? 30, 35. You're right. Let's go ahead and write 35. Okay, 35. What goes next? 40. Good job. Remember, 5 and then a 0. So then 35, 40, 40, 45. Good job, guys. You're doing really good. 45, 50, 55, 60. Good job. Let's go ahead and write 60. 55, 60, 65. Good job. 5 and then a 0. Remember, 5 and then a 0. When I say 5 and then a 0, I mean like if I cover this number, you see a 5. And if I cover this number, all you see is a 0. So 55, 60, 65, 70. Good job. Let's go ahead and write 70, 75. Okay, so 65, 70, 75, 80. Okay, so what goes next? Remember, 5 and then a 0. So 75, 80, 80, 85. You're right.
I want to say 85.
Say hi, Lani.
Hi. I'm eating gum. I'm just eating bubble gum.
Lonnie came to visit, guys. Okay. So we have 75, 80, 85, 90.
90. Mama, I had a bubble right there.
Okay.
Mommy, just here.
85, 90, 80. What goes next?
I got my
95. And we're done. So let's go over the numbers one more time. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. We're going to count by 5. So let's do the whole page together. We'll say it together. Shh. 5,
5,
10,
10,
15,
15,
20,
20,
25,
25,
30,
30,
35,
35,
40,
40,
45,
45,
50,
50,
55,
55,
60,
60,
65,
65,
70,
70,
75,
75,
80,
80,
85,
85,
90,
90,
95,
95,
1,
1,
100.
100.
Yeah, you guys did it. And Lonnie helped. Stop, Lonnie. And Lonnie helped. Good job, guys. So
I love you.
I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great Thursday. Take care.
Mama, let me see. Let me see her video. Come on.